Hello everybody, Toby here again with a 216 auto restoration, the 1976 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am 455 4-speed car. Anyways, just want to talk about the progress that I've made so lately. I think last video I pulled it out of the booth and untaped it and put the wheels on it and tires on it. What I've done is I've finished the color sanding process. So I started out with a 1500 grit. Let me adjust this here a little bit. Started out with 1500 grit wet sanding. And then I went on to 1500 grit on the Trizact. Then to 3000 on the Trizact, then all the way up to 5000 on the Trizact. So here is what it looks like with the 5000 grit scratch in it still. Just wiping a little bit of the dust off of it. I just finished this yesterday. Looks really good. There's like no orange peel. There's no dust nibs. I got all them out with the 1500 grit. Here's the hood. And this is with a 1500 grit scratch in it. So let me just get it wet really quick. Just right there to show you what the color is going to look like. Nice and bright. But that's with the 1500 grit scratch, and it actually has a pretty good shine to it now. So I'm going to start the polishing process here in just a few minutes. But here are the products that I've used. They said I took a 1500 grit. This is the white paper, sandpaper, and a bucket of water. And just did the whole car with the 1500 grit sandpaper like this rather than the Trizact. This just it took me a little bit longer, but I had a few dust nibs in there that I wanted to get out. And I didn't want to waste the whole Trizact pad just trying to get some dust nibs out because these pads are fairly expensive. And it just seemed to work for me better to do it by hand with the sandpaper and a pad rather than doing the Trizact. But once I got done with the sandpaper and got all the dust nibs out, I came back with the 1500 grit Trizact, which is this right here, this pad here, and my trusty old Dynabrade sander with a backing pad. So your Dynabrade sander, you got your backing pad, soft pad, so it flexes, and the 1500 grit sandpaper or Trizact paper goes on top of it. Went around the car and it made it, since I did it by hand with the 1500 grit, it just made it so much faster to go back with the Trizact, and it really cut it really fast. Got rid of all them scratches and gave me a good Trizact scratch, which is still a 1500 grit scratch, but it's a little bit different. Then what I did was I moved up to the 3000 grit, which is this one right here. 3000 grit, and did the whole car with 3000 after the 15. So I did the 1500 by hand, and then I did 1500 Trizact. Then I did the 3000 Trizact, and then I moved all the way up to 5000 grit Trizact right here. And that's what you see, the scratch on the car is this 5000 grit Trizact. And so that makes it really quick rather than doing all this by hand. So then like I said, I'm going to start the polishing process. And I'll start out with I always use the 3M. It's something I'm used to, something I used all the time, and it works for me. So I'm gonna start the polishing process here in just a couple minutes, and I've done a couple videos on that. I did a 59 El Camino a while back, and I still have them videos are still on my channel if you want to check them out and maybe give me a thumbs up and a subscribe or something. But I went into pretty good detail on color sanding and polishing and buffing and process, and also like run removal and some things like that. So if you want to check out those, they're pretty good videos that go in a little more detail. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and start polishing. I'll probably bring you along when I start doing that. So you can see the car looks great. It's looking really good. I'm getting close, got the paint on it, so that's one heck of a step in the process, that's for sure. So here we go, everybody. Gonna be putting her back together pretty soon, but hopefully I'll have this polishing and compounding all done today, and I'll probably bring you along for that. So everybody, I'll see you in a few minutes, everybody. Thank you, take care.